Oswafo a wona hwe efisem bambo ho nsem so ekasae eye interior minister Muntaka Mubarak na a whole lot of issues ekoso na eba Ghana ye bambo ho nsem a eye baabi a esi ye meye ni ko na yetimi adwene ho yie. In fact yete se entokwa anase o hawo bi asore wa aman bi so a eho na ya na ye bisa ye ho se na yekra se bibi ni ya ho den tesen. It means bambo ho nsem no ehia yie pa nti wo man bia ntoto ne bambo ase nti wura ye wo budget ya aman a wono ehunu konkan na omani abre se wo mpeso wo bo wo man ho ban ene we japade ho ban no wono mo hwese wo mo bambo adwumaku ho nsem no ebekose de ese na fata na enra yenra Muntaka ede nsem ahodo bi tudwa me pese yetie no kakra na meba meka ho asem.
Say to our rank and file is that let's keep hope alive. Remember that when we were doing the police support, those assistants to the police, to the fire, to the immigration and others, not a single person went for interview. And that was 25,000. That was taken through the youth employment agency. And I want to believe that they are largely the rank and file of our party. There are so many other opportunities that we are opening. But I want to believe that all of us are very conversant with our neighboring countries. Without mentioning any specific country, you hear gunshot and you see the military and the police are those in those countries who are taking the lead in running away from hearing gunshots. Why? They are not well prepared for the job. All of us want to get professional and very what we call competent. And I want to believe that there are many of such within the rank and file of the party. So I want to plead with the youth that, for example, if we had even decided, let's say, this recruitment, we're going to give it to only NDC pooling agents. Let us assume that we are going to ignore all other Ghanaians and say that, look, we are here, we'll take only our party people and we are going to take only our pooling agents. The last election, when we finished, the pooling agents were over 100,000. Because the agents that we have were about 110,000. Let's assume a quarter of them were only interested in the security service. So that's 25,000. Which method are we going to take 5,000 out of that 25,000? You surely have to then develop something. Because even if you are going to receive to only your party people, you should still have a mechanism where you go through to be able to extract the 5,000. So, yes, those disappointments may be genuine, but I want to believe that we will continue to work very hard to create other opportunities that will be easier to give than just use one recruitment and try to think that you can use it to solve all the problems at once.
Nhyira FM.
Everything about Facebook Nhyira 104.5. We a Interior Minister Muntaka Mubarak. Na in fact enra na meetie ne wapa yi o kansem bebre. Na o hwe o man wo youth a wo apply se o mo pese o mo wura bambo adwuma ni mu a over 500,000 a wo mo ko wura mu. Ese kakra bi emufa kakra bi ne ye nkrofo bi o mo ye adwuma dada obi o ye nurse ni o ye teacher ni we obi o pese wura police mu ana immigration ana we eno nso wo ho. But ye wo youth no fa dodo no over 400,000 adodo no ani adwuma a o ma ye o ma dwene se o mo ko pa adwuma nti o ma apply se o mo ko security services no. Ba ye Muntaka se wutie no a pressure se ye penipa pressure wo no so pa se asoafo no e wo Ghana ha Muntaka Mubarak eka ho na die ntia pressure aba no so no se ne party fo pese odi wo mu hwem anase odi wo mu wura bambo adwumani mu na ne eya wo mu ne se enipa ne pese se on qualify o so qualify kura no a yemfa ne enwuram se woni ontimi on qualify kura no a yempia ne nwuram because wasom party or your party ni we ye adwuma. I've listened to a lot of commentaries from party fo ni bi eni mpanimfo bi o mo kasama party e man e wo fem no ne o mo kire nyina ne se an aban dada no otwa mu no o man se o mo nkrofo anwum ebi kura wo hodo mo a wo mo qualify so mo de o mo gumu enti no what they are implying ne se nipa ne qualify kura no a Muntaka emfa ne nwuram because or your party ni ye de na gu protocol list so enti so on qualify kra na the moment your protocol so no nko ade munta kamfa ne murem. That is the idea. Any NDC supporters no name akandifo bi omo kasa about this recruitment no mo di tudwa. Unim metena asidi ya metie saa de we na me se Ghana no hu se ye de Yesu Kristo ana komsheni Muhammad ye de ne baso o medi Ghana nim emeye president ana o meye minister. The system na ye wo no still ebema sa nipa kro no waye corrupt ana sa nipa kro no obedi Ghana bro. Unim die ntia me say ye de Yesu Kristo ana komsheni Muhammad de ne ba be ye soafo ana mampani wo mamu a Ghana ye system ni ya adwene ekura ye no still ebema wo man no aye de ete no a ye ntimi nsesa because yesu ni ye ban no saa na ete yemfa nipa enwum cho because nipa no asum party ni so won qualify ye wa ha ye hu incidents bebre over the years enkrofo ye fa omo security service ye hu ni yesie ye we ayawa so West Wogon committee no omo te ye no omo ye hwehwebu no e de no omo de betu dwa omo se kwan a ye fa so ye recruitment no to our security services no ye hwe ni ye because conduct subaya abambofo ne dan na di wa ayawa so West Wogon a enam so ni peprepre ni pewuye no e ya de a senko omo hwe ni ye recruitment ye a sa police officers no sa security officers no enko mbe ye omadwuma wo ne kwan so. That was one of the recommendations. Yenhwe adwira etututu ekọ so asrafo ene prosifo kọ ho no a ye kotutu okun obi wa adwira shooting no. Yenhwe ne yesi ye committee no tenase ne de na ye park commission no mkore no. Wonu kan ho asem se ye bambo adwuma na ye no. Wo mu hia entity ye no ye na wo mu hia nkrofo so a they will be much qualified. Yet ya Santemampon I think 2015 or so. Teacher ni wono wasori ko akoto ade wotimoto so prosifo de ka di nachi bonituo kunu kwa so omu susu se woye armed robber. Just because you see the kind of normal SCC atwamunti ama empenifo bebre ama recommendations say recruitment no etwa se ye fan crofo really they qualify and then see they obi gina ho pa na ye ka choza kwa we oyesu jani oye prosini a na wo hwe no a na anu bi a ye de ba ko bi ba ye se utumi se aba kura da fam na so wo mfa se sojani a wontumi mfa ye ko kan wo se oye ye friend say ye se wo mo de ya na wo mo different skills a ote office and wo ye adwuma mi wan so ebeto dwa se sankrofo nyina de SHS ne wura mu a sankrofo ni bi general recruits omu ko ye adwuma den ni bi omu wurawuram so ye be fa na wuram because oye party ni ene ye de ni wuram qualification ni wo etiye won crofo makwa training grounds no omu wu they are dying because ye be jump no documentation ye be jump no body selection aptitude test wonye na medicals no so ye jump no nti wote wani afre ne se bra training etidudu no akwa ebi owo pressure owo yade bi na nipa na ko wu and it's happening. It is happening. See, no man can training grounds just because you feel say or your party ni or penny binti you did not famu medically unqualified, and so you didn't be willing to go training now no go grounds. And what Muntaka is doing is to make sure say or say omunfa process now we qualified. Ya pekio. And this goes with NDC's 2024 manifesto. Na Jeff Fatu Sumame. NDC 2024 manifesto na mo ton ma Ghana fo nyina to ye no. O can say point 4 no. O can say ensure merit-based, transparent and decentralized recruitment and promotions in all security agencies in line with our HR gap analysis. Ene da no. Merit-based near or qualify entiene yetiminya security ya ontimi ntro ni din o ka kire ne se on ntro 3 sentence kura wontimi enso se nipa no akọ wuram at least a minimum of JHS certificate there. Ni din kura se otimi tro one sentence be two sentence be we. Sanse me ba wo stage 5 cc. Otimi tro full sentence we tro e ho ayi by obi over security mu a okas one tro a full sentence e be yedin. Because ya kan awuram. Edu akoduru ba bi ni ya tro information bi we se otimi read no wo ma na nkrofo information kura no wa kira. Ebeyedin because I can calculate to me ye de na wiamu sa and Muntaka want to ensure say the right thing is done ye woni pa bebre stage a wo ma qualify edu no senka Muntaka e ko no say sa de wo mpeso wo ye na enka krofo bebre kura nko omo system no be bie na ye pending sa minimum bantie bi a wo apply for military dey ada pendings structurally or you good in fact on one crack or any medical say no ma bebre wonye nko medical wa ye ni bibia system ye fine bibia ye fine and so what the pending what test stages are won call nanim as we better no near for mawie ba Muntaka de yes or ensure transparency and to be as a qualifying quantity to show you on your system it will go on now call anymore any ebechi na you any ebechinary. Me my problem with the whole process no eye sika dodo ayaje yenim se nipa 5,000 pe and you betimi afa o ne yatimi ama applications of about 500,000 which is going to a tune of about 100 million Ghana cedis. And only me problem say yenim se 5,000 pe ne yefa and can release forms of 10,000 and 15,000 bi na nipa 500,000 obia so atwie sika afele form no elsewhere amanone eye free onko peso jani we mu me yanka say ye beton forms amount eno ne me problem sika no ayajeje from all these people e nim say 5,000 pe de betumi afa no ene ha me apart from that the merit based system any transparency ya Muntaka ensure no o deserve applause but Ghana no sa na ye I'm not surprised that the nay ye de no ato ayimu a ye atwe na bo so. But Muntaka, you are trying to do the right thing. But system na uwom no, eye Ghana na uwom no, adwene na wa ha ne nye. Ya adwene no nye papa. Ya adwene no enye papa. Yesterday I heard some people calling for his reshuffling. Just because of this. Na me say, hwe me mame mo eyi bi nkyerɛw. Abantie bi a ono nso wakɔkyerɛ kyɛ sɛ aptitude test no kura wonima de koro. Aptitude test no wonima de koro. Was it yes me attitude hwan
masa ye kan okra Ghana ha no o me ye kan okra de umnan say Muntaka honorable Muntaka we disappointing papa as a driver what's me apply for service my body selection bibia me niam me dia me ye bia na da so no obetimi obia betimi akenkan ready ahwe ya fem ba attitude test o catch and say attitude test no yan qualify drive any attitude test as a driver no ade so de ma me car no na so ma me hunu se me ntu car na na hwe se me nim car na kan pa ba obi afa kan exam obi a attitude test say ya feel Ghana se se ya na be kodi ya emwa
enti went mi antro am pass it. But you see, when the knowledge in say, a can't you could transfer the Nimana woko, now ye. Now, even in Ghana, Uber driver's license, no, Uber online test. And these people, Wemo, a young crofwa, almost fan chain could Tiama DVL for me a momo license in Ebini. Because test no crowd watch on a crowd, we need test the crop. So after say when your license no one chain what they compete here na the steer na mano na we do kwan so na atwero bibi wo ho anase information bi go as a security officer enye se e fa soldier se bra be pamade ne no nko na akoyo anase okotwika ne no nko na akoyo you should have knowledge about security no ye be kire wo ni nyina enti se wo no umuduro no anase wo nimde no entimi consume sa na o ma no a na wentimi ampase a eno nkire se wo betumi achim stie enti yemfa nwuram. These are some of the things people need to understand. The security service go beyond that. no ya so many and I don't blame unim the cost one the man for no ye no youth na ni adwuma no because your system nankasa no say ye bema enwuma abusuo no obia de nani hwe aban adwuma because they feel that and then they secured ya kechi asoman 69 years on enti na obete no yes you for jobs 24-hour economy one near the slogans na begum saa ye be wiase no na enwuma ho nsem no ayeden 500,000 search for adwuma 5,000 per any fa wo mu ti wo mu aka no ehin wo mu fa but if our private sector no etumi akonanim yetumi aboa man kronkro enwuma no etumi agina ne na so a ekenye ba bia ye woni because bibia ye ka certificate ye certificate ni ye pesuku de ne why degree masters PhD but you forget about other areas no a ebetumi aboa ye no elsewhere so uko Europe any Asia mo private businesses no ena emma nipa adwuma eni daso omo de bia nwuma emma nipa enya biye bebre uko UK say ya wo mo ayafefa wo mo UK ni ade ene ada US no ne ade nyina no private business no ena aban no ma environment na ye conducive empower wo mo edi incentives bia taxes bia no ma bia se yi suma wo ya ye ni nyina se be ya sa nwuma no betumi enya hoɔden agina no mo so etumi afa ni pedodo na no me call pharmacy pharmaceutical company bi sa ehɔ no nko ani pa ye adwuma nko a wo ho no ye 300 nipa ye adwuma wo ho no nko ne branch ba ko no nipa ye adwuma wo ho no ye 300 et imagine say ne 5 branches no across the country no a wa bie no ebema ye say so offer 300 nya 1,005 et yemfa ne say construction sector bi obi nso ye contractor ono so afa nipa be 200 ana 500 ebi so afa say ya private areas no sectors no ebetumi am ya fa nipa bebre obi medwene na obi kopiem o UK a onwene so okonya so ye health professional na say oye nurse ni anayo onhwe so okwa akonya NHS nko awu aban de mu nko awu ohwe so obenya baabi onya contract wo any health company bia we bi ono so ehwe health facility no akowura mu oye adwuma because the see etua no ye betua no saa aban na empower mo mutumi recruit nkrofo but ye ha no it's not like that. Private sector no ye the taxes be gugu no so utility ne board den etu ono a wo ye adwuma no je wa bi adwuma ne ho kire no etu ontimi mie ne nkwaba mu emfa nipa bebre oban no ni support bi a de boanti when I saw the 24-hour economy bill no ne ade o mo de ko ne no ma ewum no ani age because the indication is that ebeboa private businesses amanetimi agina ni ntia bebre pa ba adwuma nso ne say private sector no companies no ne bebre ntua kayi and the daily minimum wage 21.77 Ghana cedis. But what do we see? Obit me for be adwuma no otua de ka 150 cedis a month. Private schools no na be ko church ade no 150 Ghana cedis. Other companies no could be tua bi ka 500 cedis a month, a whole month. The nipa no be die de odo be fa kanti ama private sector work no enye attractive. You funu bebre they don't have the edge to go there. So okopedwuma. It will pay baby say ya ufin say what ye aban de eden a ye be no say de say ne fata. But oko Europe ni ade a o ma regulating to the extent say untumi ntwe obi ka below certain range. Enti we hear adwuma private sector kra wani je. The weak enforcement on labor laws no so another challenge. E man crofo nya attractive say private sector nya attractive so bi be ye private adwuma. Yen starting training ye youth no ye skilled work na hu hia TVET no ne stem aban dada na hyase no yen hyemu kena na nsan ne nyuma entumi mmoa hweke adu aboa so heye hwede ke adu ye ene ni products ni nyina sa gas no vi ne no ma wa ye ne hospital train nyina wo ye bi nsan no nyuma wo exported the other countries nyina one person it is aban no manani baswa ye empower no ono ke adu nipa ba ko pen unim youth wa fa mo no mu ye adwuma. Last time when I went to his birthday celebration youth no mu ye adwuma nko anya sem ketwa enti obi a ye empower wo no obi a fa kakra na o maketua ya why na ebe se na police aba me nya ye nti me be attacking penifo me be yesi. Let's empower the private sector. Na ye nya say bibia akoye to say you focus on government areas no you be farm police you be farm way forgetting about their skilled work omo asuansa no human betimi di aboa 24-hour economy no a good policy ba kwan ben na mo fa so mo ye His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. The 24-hour economy 133 is the way to go, because NDC executives no nko ankra no o fa executives na se muka se party fo nko na mo de ma o ma se mo fa mo executives nko ankra wo mo bro branch executives for my cross check am ye they are about 365,000. Constituency executives over 6,000. Regional executives 272. National executives 25. Who can you are getting 372,000. And to improve for me executives in now from a Sieko Citro. Umo bia one protocol class one for Bimra. Ebro 5,000 na ye befano. To be fine. Ye me any concern no na ye universities no ne ada ye ma skill application no so se ni pani pia obetumi de nsa ye bibi very important ya ka echi dodo asoman abusia me ba
yeah come on
Nhyira 104.5
FM.
And now who you want